Have you ever scrolled down a product detail page on Amazon and found something like a social feed, bunch of images? That's actually a free tool called Amazon Posts. It's kind of like a little bit of social media on Amazon, but it's essentially a free tool where you can showcase images of your products. This helps you gain visibility to your products, but also helps brand awareness and also helps you reach new shoppers. Now, there's a new feature that Amazon just launched where you can actually boost those posts. So here's what you can do. You can create these Amazon posts and see which ones perform, and the ones that work well, you can double down and boost them using a little bit of money and showcase those posts to a bigger audience, which will obviously help in driving visibility and brand awareness. Now, it's really easy to get started with Amazon Posts. You just have to go to Post Manager and start posting images and videos, just like this. And another really convenient thing that Amazon does is it uses generative AI. For cases where your images don't match Amazon's resolution requirements, you can just upscale them using the generative AI, and you don't have to worry about Photoshop or all of that kind of stuff. Now, this is something everyone should be taking advantage of. Number one, because it's completely free when you just post Amazon Posts. And number two, it really helps drive that extra awareness ahead of big days like Prime Day. And if you're trying to create seasonal creatives ahead of days like Father's Day, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, things like that, you can use Amazon's AI image generator. All right, so here's how you can boost some posts. After you've posted the Amazon posts, go to Post Manager in the Ad Console. And then just click Boost, and you'll be directed to Sponsor Brands Campaign Builder, where you can review the settings, make sure everything is good, and then publish the campaign. And that's pretty much it. Super simple. Everyone should be using this. All right, guys, I hope you found value in this video. Please comment below other videos you want me to do. Thank you, Amazon, for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you in the next one.